Hey folks, Mark here. I just finished doing an FPV flight with my Copper Cub S2. Just finished, and a couple other guys I saw heading out to the field with their airplanes, and one guy's already flying, so I thought I'd come over here and do a little video of that and watch what they're doing. Sit down for a second here and watch these guys fly. Alright, so let's zoom in on the action here. Alright, so there's the 3D flyer. If I can get this dang phone to focus. Oh, you can do it. Oh, you can do it. There he goes. Flying along. Now I can't get very good focus, but you can see center screen there. I think yellow plane that the guy has there. Yeah. Where's the airplane? There it is. Oh, this phone's not good. It's black. It's a black view phone. I don't like it. It doesn't like to focus. Where's it? He's coming in for landing, I think. Yep. Yes, he did. Yeah, that's what he did. Alright then. Well, I just thought I'd throw that. Just thought I'd show that. Just for the hell of it. Other people flying out here, that's pretty cool. Alright. There you go.